it's Sam with Conde Systems. Today I am going to help you find some products that you can sell on Etsy that have low competition and high search volume. Today's product is our glass cutting boards. We have 8 different varieties or different cutting boards that you can offer to your customers. And let me show you how I found this. I used our handy dandy software eRank, and I put in custom cutting board. Today I'm using the free version. Last time I used the paid version. So kind of just want to show you that you can still find out which items you can sell with the free version. The difference between the free version and the paid version is the paid version shows you the average searches, whereas the free version only shows you the competition. Starting out, I put in custom cutting boards. The first one, custom cutting boards, it's orange. So you could probably use that as one of your tags or keywords in your listing. I like to use more green as possible, the most green as possible. But sometimes when you're trying to get 13 tags, it can be a little bit difficult. So I'll write that down and I'll make a note beside it that the competition is orange. I'll keep going down and look for some other keywords. Custom cutting board for wedding, custom wood cutting board, that doesn't work for us. Custom cutting board recipe, custom recipe cutting board, custom small cutting board, large cutting board, cheese board. I mean, they're just so great because all of these are green to the right. You could make a complete store with just niching down in these different specific areas. You could have a whole page dedicated to wine and cheese or to recipes, measurements, just making sure that your customer knows that you can do custom boards for their family, whether it's grandma's recipe or a family name, anything like that. After I find all my keywords, and I'm writing down a big list of those, I will then go to Etsy and kind of look and see what the competition. Custom cutting board, I searched that in Etsy, and the majority of the listings for custom cutting board show up as wood cutting boards. And since I am not selling a wood cutting board, I can look at this and kind of get some inspiration, but I am going to try to use a different word to really market myself. I mean, custom cutting board does have a good amount of searches with low competition. So it wouldn't hurt to use this keyword to try to see if you could, rank a glass cutting board on the first page. Like I said, you want to try different listings with different photos and see what takes off. After seeing all these wood cutting boards, I decided to type in custom glass cutting boards. And then I found these and I love these. These look like cutting boards that Conde sells that we can easily do. Kind of look to see what the themes are. So last name, established date. This one is nice. It has the kitchen and then maybe some of your common conversions. We don't want to directly copy anyone, but it's nice to look to see what is selling to give us some inspiration to what we could add in our own store. So I'll scroll through the first page. I really like this first one up here with the conversion. So I'm going to click on that one and take a better look at this listing. Here is this listing. They're a star seller. That's great. They have 3 people have this in their cart and 336 sales. So this is probably a fairly new listing or new store. So it does show you that there is potential, to start with something new and rank and get sales on Etsy. For this product, you could definitely, have tons of different conversions and different backgrounds and just do a whole store related to these cutting boards. Their description, pretty nice. But yeah, this is how I do my research, and this is kind of what I would do if I were starting cutting boards. Again, we have about 8 different cutting boards that you could choose from, all different sizes, and see what would work for you and your shop. My name is Sam. I'm account manager here at Conde Systems, and my extension is 211.